Sorry I didn't film much, it was a hectic day, but we got a new project, an RSX. So, just driving this puppy home right now. 800 bucks for this. Full interior, back windows blown, but that's an easy fix. Drives nice. But yeah, it's for the girlfriend, that's why it's auto. I couldn't pass it up. I'll show you guys more of the car later when I get home, but just driving it back now and it drives pretty smooth. I got my buddy following me, just in case, you know? But we'll be home soon, next 10-15 minutes. All right, dude, so we made it home. Things a little clapped. No back window. A little clapped on the side, but it's just, you know, minor rust stuff. Interior, clean. It needs a clean, but it's pretty clean. Back seats, got some glass, quick vacuum. Front, mint, 190K on it. Needs a new door though, because it's rusting. We pop the hood. Let me show you guys. Look how fresh the inside is. Nice little K20 A3. Drove pretty mint back. We got the Vibrant exhaust on here. I think it's like a 3-inch all the way back. And overall, like besides this rust here and that door, it's a pretty clean car. Paid 800 bucks for it. So I'm gonna start working on this, making it look fresh, and then giving it to the girlfriend so she can have her own car now and stay in the Honda gang. Well, Acura, but same thing, you guys know. So yeah, I'm gonna bring this up here, start vacuuming it, cleaning it, taking that off, like washing it down so you guys can actually see it, like all nice and clean and proper. So it's the next day. Didn't really do anything on this when I brought it home, but it is a mess. So I brought the shop back out. As you can see, I can see the floor. And yeah, we got ourselves a nice little hole down here. Other than that, it's relatively clean. I kind of expected that, but it is what it is. It's a quick little weld job. Got majority of the glass out from back here though. Looking a lot better. Got all the pieces there. So I'm gonna start working my way up now and clean the rest of it. And I'm probably gonna get some dry ice too in another video, remove this sound deadening, and see how far that rust actually goes so I can cut a hole and weld a new piece. So I got majority of the garbage in there. And this is all the vacuum shards. Car's pretty clean now actually, like surprisingly a little bit. Like salt stains regardless, I'm gonna wipe all this dirt and the dash and the door panels and stuff down, but vacuuming, like, it's a lot cleaner. Let me move this. It's a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna start wiping it down with like a rag and just some chemical guys stuff to clean the interior a bit. So we just got finished completely vacuuming it. Nice and clean. Back seats, front seats, all mint. Even wiped it down. The dash is mint, doors are mint. All this is all clean. Door jambs. Even the trunks, very clean. No glass anymore. Wiped down everything here too. We got the Ryobi out. This little guy, 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. So that's all we need. Clean it down a bit, and I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like after. Just finished cleaning this whole thing. Sorry about the wind, but now it's nice and shiny. You can see all the rust now. Wheels are a bit clean, they're steel, but whatever. Trunk's clean. Side skirts, even the wheel wells and stuff. Interior, like I said, is all clean. Yeah, I throw some body panels and stuff. I just got a bin in the driveway, so once that's gone, I can move this up and start tearing it apart and replacing parts that need to be replaced. Throw it on jack stands, start sanding it down, and doing a whole refresh on this thing. So it's gonna be fun. A lot of content soon.